Okay, you know how old black people like to open things on camera. So this just arrived. When I say it just arrived, I mean like a minute ago. So this should complete the pistol portion of everything I ordered from Wonder Fitter last year. Yeah. Remember they had the Kickstarter campaign at the stop, so over there. So I'm gonna do like a bigger unboxing. I just want to see what's in here because I got like the big package. Big package. Last year. They'd actually been, in my opinion, better at delivering stuff now. It's like, what in the world? So, I like to do it on camera because something's missing. Then I can compare it against the big package that I was supposed to get. So, let's see here. So here is the M17. Yeah. Let's see what's in the box. Boom, that was a rump shaker. Okay, oh, there's the box. Man, that UPS truck must be hot. I'm feeling this sucker. I literally saw, what is it sometimes they don't like ring your dang bell? What if you had something in there that was heat sensitive? It's another dang summer. Okay, let's take this stuff off here. I'm gonna learn how to do this properly one day. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna be me. And let's shake it like a rump shaker. Open it up. There it is, the rump shaker, the rump shaker, the rump shaker. Come on, man. Don't stick at the top now. Okay, got this little thing here. I'm gonna use this. I already got an idea for it. Okay. I'm not sure, but I can swear when I got this, it came with like a case. I want to check it out. So, got a USB-A to USB-C here. I got a manual that I'll probably never read because I like women. Oh my God, I'm gonna get canceled. No, I'm not. Okay, here's the holder for the 3D handle. This took so long, for all we know, we'd have been on another handle. Got some little bitty tools here. Got your little phone holder, so you can do it that way. We got a little thing here, so you can do it on your TV. Okay, I already see some problems. Hold on, unless it's in here. So I got some rail stuff here. What's down in here? There's a something. Okay, it's some kind of little antenna. USB-A. What if you have a Mac? These new MacBooks don't got USB-A. It's all out of here. So I can already tell there are a few things missing. First of all, I ordered a red dot. It's supposed to come with a red dot, unless it's coming later. I am pretty darn sure this is supposed to come with a case. So it's got the trigger lock, which actually works. Let's do it from this one. It's got a rail on top. No red dot. I'm positive it came with the red dot. Let's see, dropping the magazine doesn't come all the way out. Looks like this may be my, let's see here, turn it on. I hope. I don't see anything happening. One day I'll read. Charge it here. See, got another switch right here. Oh, wait. Wonder what that, it just comes down and pops right. It went into the thing. It went in. I can't even touch it now. Maybe, hold on. Nope. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it goes both ways. It's ambidextrous, so I'm sure this may be for the real gun. I've never done a M17. I was an M9 guy in the military. That's what they had at the time. Orange barrel. I'm supposed to do something, turn it on? Or maybe it's just not charged. Last few came charged. Nothing. This one here is too recessed. Okay, I got it in. Well, I guess this one wasn't charged. Right now, I got to go figure out what was supposed to have come with this thing, because I know that. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm positive I ordered that the big package came with the case, and I know it came with a red dot. So we're gonna call it that, and maybe I'll come back on here, maybe I won't, and tell you after I read the Wonder Fitter stuff what was supposed to come with it, with the big, because I haven't opened all of those yet. So like I said, it took a very long time for me to get everything. So that is a old black man opening his stuff to make sure he got everything he was supposed to get. Here's the handle for the Quest. Here's the phone holder. Here's a little thing for the TV. Ain't got no red dot. Sure as heck ain't got no case. So let me go check, and then maybe I'll charge this thing up and we can do some. Wait a minute. Maybe. Ha ha ha. I got this Anchor thing here. Let's start recharging it now. Aha, Beelzebub, the Canadian devil. It's from an episode of South Park. After I get canceled for saying that I like women, because you're not allowed to do that anymore. Okay, so when it's charging, wait a minute. Okay, well, it's charging. We'll get a little bit of a charge off of this. And let's see, will it tell me? It's only taking 3.7 watts. So, well, this probably wasn't meant to be a fast charge. I'll get out a minute and I will check and get back to you. Okay, I'm back. I just checked. Yes, I ordered a case. It was part of the package, and it was supposed to have a red dot. The red dot comes with the case, so since I don't have the case, I sure as heck ain't got the red dot. So, yeah, it's been 6.5 months. Like I said, a few minutes, or like within 2 minutes of me turning on this camera. I don't know, it's kind of a little bit ridiculous. Oh, it wasn't, so I got one whole shot out of it. That's what she said. Okay. Oh, what's that feel like? Well, it's not gonna do it while you're doing that. And I guess I gotta dump it in. Okay, I did get enough power there. Let me charge it up. Maybe I'll start figuring stuff and contacting Wonder Fitter after over 6 months. Ordered back in November. I was able to go see the email that had everything I was supposed to have in it. I don't think I have everything, unless in the bow and arrow thing there, it's got some extra stuff in it. Stuff has been coming like differently, if you know what I mean. So we'll see. I got lost my entire interest in this in 6 months. Something that was supposed to have been delivered a long time ago. I could have been dead. Yeah, I think about those things now. So anyway, that's it. You got the answer. It is not complete. So I don't want to put everything together until I have a complete system. So I got the rifle over there, bow and arrow. Now this thing, oh, wait a minute. Now it fires with the power connected. Okay. And the trigger lock still works. My safety. This is my safety. Remember that? Yeah. Okay, I'm out.